Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding three ticker symbols which are really looking good and they have been doing really good. The first one is BSQR, the next one is ZELA, XELA, and the third one will be MRIN. And three of these stocks have been performing really well and I think they will explode even more this week. So stay tuned till the very end, and if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, yesterday I made a video on some ticker symbol, and if you have noticed, MRIN, ZELA, PLRX, like all of them did really good. So again, I'm happy. I made lots of money, and before that video I talked about BSQR and it was a monster today. It was really a monster because if you see here, it was up like 77% today. Only today 77%. Look at the average volume, which is only 25 million, and today's volume was 202 million. So 8 times more volume came, and that is why more volume, and you see the price action 77% up. Look at the historical volume. So the yellow bars are the volume. So the previous volume was around 100 million. This thing went to $8, again came down, and back to back is having very nice volume. It had some volume around 230 million. You see the price was 8, then it came back again today, high volume, it is here. So anyway, whenever there is a volume, it makes sense, it will go higher. Now let's look at the chart. First of all, look at the chart on a daily perspective. It seems like it goes up, comes down. Same thing, it goes up, comes down. So first of all, it is very important, if you're playing this, play with caution. Maybe do a day trade or a swing trade. I do not want you to buy something at the top of the mountain and hold it forever, because you can easily see it was at 12, came down all the way to $2, again went to 8, came down to 4, and today again went close to 8 and again came back. Also look at the volume bars here. So it is having really nice action. You see big volumes are coming. What about the RSI? The RSI went to 88, makes sense, it came down and again it is pointing up, but still it is below 70, and anything over 70 is overbought. So still it is below 70, which is good. MACD is pointing upward. So far so good. Now from daily I want to move to hourly chart, or maybe I will move to a 15-minute chart. At the same time I will open the support and resistance, but you can see that end of the day it has been doing really good. There is a resistance in this area. It is trying to push, and whenever this thing will be broken, this thing will fly. So today we had a very nice day. Like, I have a community board here, so the members who have joined just paying $3 per month, 10 cents per day, they got the alert. You can see that in the morning. Let me see, I have been talking about BSQR for some time, so I'm just going down because I do a lot of alert during the day. So BSQR, so this is the one we talked about, $5, then we entered. I think I entered around $5. So yeah, so I entered at $5, target was 5.4. I got out at 5.75. It was an excellent day trade for me, and again I was keeping an eye. Then I talked about 6.2, 6, 6.6, and a breakout of 6, and you see what's happened, and so many support resistance. If you want to get this kind of daily trade ideas, you are welcome to join. It costs only 10 cents a day, $3 per month. But the good thing is it had a nice day because it has some resistance around 6.2, it broke through. Then it has some resistance around 6.6, it went through, and I was thinking that whenever we will break through, it will go higher, and it went higher. It went all the way around 7.5, 7.6 came down, but you can see that we tried to push the 7.5 mark for some time. We could not, came down, but still we are sitting at a very nice level, which is around 6.65. so maybe it can again bounce back, go up again, but by the moment it will break 7.5, I think it will move towards 8.2, and if it breaks even more, who knows where it can go. On the other hand, if it can't have the 6.65 support, it can come back all the way to 6.3 or even $6. So anyway, it was a monster move. I just want to keep that in your radar because this thing can explode again. Look at the last 15 minutes today. So it was green, seems like it is bouncing up. We need to see what happens tomorrow pre-market. This thing was pre-market high of it was very high in the pre-market, so it is really doing good. But as long it is moving sideways, I think this is really good. But we made a lot of money today, and again, whoever is following my community, so and whoever is subscribed to my channel, congratulations. So this is number one. The next one is ZELA. Again, it has a nice move. You can see it was up 72% today. The average volume is 61 million and today's volume was 167 million. So again, 2.5 times more volume. But the important thing is, look at the chart here. Throughout the day, it moved all the way around 1.8, 1.9, and after 2 p.m. it started rallying up, and you can see it rallied up a lot. Look at the volume here. So today's volume, end of the day, you see all the volume came here, so looking very strong. All the volumes came here end of the day. After market, the last time I checked, it was up, but it doesn't matter. I want to see pre-market. And don't forget, just last week on pre-market it went to $4, then it came back. But again, this stock can move really hard. So looking at the volume, you can see again, whenever there is a big spike in yellow volume here, it goes up, it goes up. So again, volumes are coming, so hopefully we will see another push. Maybe it can go to $4. Look here, right, pre-market it went to $4. So again, looking very, very nice. Now this is the daily chart here. Again, this kind of penny stock, it can go up in one day, it come back from $8 to $2 again. Whenever you play, just play with caution, have a tight stop loss. At the same time, you can use trailing stop loss if you're really in profit. Now on a daily candle, look at the RSI, which is almost around 70. So anything over 70 is overbought, so still it might go. But look at the volume. Today's volume is green, and also this is the MACD, not looking bad. So from fifth day, let's move to a 15-minute. Let's move to a 15-minute chart. You can see that back to back 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes it was doing really good. It's all green. Okay, so this one we have been playing. We entered around 2.5, we went to 3.5, came back, and some kind of deep buying here. And clearly from the chart that it found a support around 1.8 area. It came down, bounced up that 1.8 for some time, and then it said, okay, enough is enough. So there was a resistance around 2.1, but it broke through the 2.1 resistance. There was a resistance around 2.5, 2.6, and it is looking really nice. Trading view is showing me the post market, it is at 2.72, and this is really looking nice, because if it can break through this 2.7 area, then again tomorrow it can run towards $3.1 and maybe even more, 3.5, $4. I'm not showing you the pre-market and after hour, just looking at the chart. 3.1 was the max. So if it can break through 2.7, I think it can go towards 3.1, and if 3.1 is broken, this thing can really fly. But look at today's volume, look at today's price action, and I'm very, very bullish on ZELA, and I have been holding ZELA, and I did average down around 1.9. Very, very exciting. The next one is ticker symbol MRIN. Look at the average volume, which is 66 million, and today's volume was 44 million, but it was still up by 19%, not bad. But look at last 1 month, this thing was almost at $2, and from $2 it came all the way to $24. It has been going up, 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 doing really, really nice. So let's look at the volume. Let's look at today's volume. So it is a very high volume in the morning. The price went up and the volume died, and again end of the day I see some kind of volume here. If you look on a historical chart, you can see the yellow bars here. So it is getting lots of volume, and the volume is pushing, pushing and pushing. Very, very exciting. Now look at the daily chart here. How does it look? Look at the top. The wick is very, very small, and I'm very happy to see this. Now let's look at the RSI. The RSI is very high, is almost 80, and last time the RSI went to 95. It had a pullback, so again it can have a pullback, or maybe it can run again and towards the RSI of 95, 98. You see the MACD, how far it is extended. And also do not forget that it was around $2. It went all the way to 24, 25, 27, so 13 times. So definitely there can be a pullback. If you are already in profit, do not forget to have a tight stop loss or use trailing stop loss, so that if it comes down, your profit will be locked. Other than that, very nice, very nice. So I'm gonna move to 15-minute chart, and I'm gonna also open the support and resistance. And you see we have been tracking MRIN for some long time and it has been doing really good. So it has a floor here, then again the next floor was here 14, then the next floor was around 18, the next floor is 23. So each time it has been going like a stair, so it is just jumping, yes, very volatile. Most of the time it opens very high, then during the day it comes down. Next morning it opens very high, then during the day it comes down. Same thing happened today, gap up, come down. So in the morning there is a big gap up, then it comes down, and again it tried to have a new floor, and each time it has been making higher high. So the support is becoming higher and higher. So again, think like a staircase, it is going higher and higher. Now the important thing is today it tried to break 24.5 few times. You see the bars here, so 24.5 few times it could not and came down. So the important thing is it has to break 24.5. Once it is broken, I think the next target will be around 25.5, and then it will move towards higher, and today it went almost to $27. On the other hand, if the support around 23.2 is broken, this thing can come back all the way to 22.3 or even around 21.5. But overall, if you look, it goes up and down, very volatile. But if you know the support, resistance, and playing correctly, you can get a lot of profit playing with this particular one. So again, whoever bought today at $27, maybe they are not in profit, but again you can see that it goes up in the morning, comes down. So again, if you're planning to enter, I would say do not rush, because if it opens higher, maybe once the market will open, it will come back, you will always get an opportunity to get in. Other than that, a very exciting stock. I do not know how much it will go. I do not have any price target. I'm just doing day trading and swing trading. So again, I'm very bullish. I want to see what will happen tomorrow. The volume is very exciting for 3 of the stocks here. So anyway, my friend, just wanted to make the video and wanted to introduce with these 3 stocks. These are very exciting. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, there is a community. You can always join the community, and during the day market hours you will get support, resistance, some trade ideas when to get in and out. Today BSQR was really good. We made a lot of money. We entered around $5. This thing went almost to 7.5. Anyway, my friend, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.